Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect gift for that special someone in your life? How about 101 pooping puppies? Yes, we all have that special someone in our life that would love to spend hours looking at pooping puppies and making sure they all get right in the right spot. A couple things I noticed about this was the high quality of this puzzle. The pieces are really thick. They were actually thicker than a quarter, which really impressed me. The pieces slip into each other really nicely and hold together really well. I also appreciated the details. I am not a person who likes puzzles that are trial and error. I like to be able to look at a piece and kind of decide where it is. And this one does really good with that, including all of the poop. You would not believe how many dog poops I looked at and knew exactly which dog they went to. Very helpful. I also like that it has a sheet with the puzzle picture on it. So it's very easy. Sometimes you look at the box, but it can be a little bit small. This was so nice to have. Even when I would find a piece and I could tell exactly what dog it would go to, I would put it on top of the dog on the poster, and it kind of kept track of everything for me. So I really appreciated that. It's always nice to have puzzles, family fun, especially with winter coming up. This is something I remember doing as a kid, and I thoroughly enjoy snowy days where we're all trapped inside and doing puzzles. So why not do a funny one? So if you're looking for a special gift or just want to do a little bit of fun and have the satisfaction of putting that last piece in, order this. But that's just my point of view.